Whoa, 3,000, what? 3,000 lumens. Oh, we have to test this out for you. Let's quick give an overview. So this is it. Wow, this is small. You guys think it's actually gonna produce that much light? We're gonna test it outside in the dark. Charges it right here with the cable provided. Your on and off buttons. Little clip for around your belt loop. Okay, let's test it. Oh, this is cool. It even says, the lumens on here. Okay, this is 15 lumens. So that's 15. This is gonna be 65 here. So you can see the difference, that's 65. Let's try, there's 1200, whoa. So this isn't even max brightness, but that's 1200 lumens. So you could see, like even way out there, look at that. All right, let's do the max. So this is going to be, let's drop it down here. There's max. So there's 3,000 lumens. Like super bright. As you can see up in the trees. That's really bright. Wow. So even way out there, you can see how the trees light up our garage. You can see the difference. That's impressive. Wow. You can lock it and unlock it as well by double tapping the red button. But yeah, the 3,000 lumens, that is max. And it lets you do it for like 15 seconds just because it heats up so much. But yeah, that's impressive for this little thing.